Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to today's math lesson, Chapter 9. Before we continue, please make sure you have the following materials: your math workbook, a pencil, and your circle attribute block. If you need to go get those items, pause and return, and then we'll continue with the lesson. Okay, so today's lesson is about circles, and we are working to answer the question, how can I recognize two-dimensional shapes and equal shares? So let's go on with, okay, here is a question. I'm a two-dimensional shape that has 3 sides and 3 vertices. What shape am I? Trapezoid, rectangle, square, or triangle? Say your answer to someone near you. Okay, you ready? If you said triangle, thumbs up, good job. That is right. Okay, now we are going to investigate math. We need to discuss or think about what defining attributes can you use to identify circles, okay? So think about ways we've discussed so far about other two-dimensional shapes that we've used, okay? What have we said about them, okay? Well, one of the things we've said is they have sides. Now think about that. What have the sides been on the other two-dimensional shapes? A side is a straight line, okay? Does a circle have a straight line? Well, let's look here. Okay. I see no straight lines. Does a circle have any vertices where 2 sides come together to meet? No. What type of line do you see here? Right, curves. So there are no vertices and no sides on a circle. All right, so let's continue. And this is where you will get your math workbook, okay? Page 647. If you need time to turn to that page, pause the video, okay? And then come back with your page, and I'll be here. Okay, so he's a cute little fish, and I noticed that at the top there, it has a fish that says, around we go. So we'll see why that little fish picture up in the corner says that. Okay, so I'm going to read this to you. Fish blow bubbles in the shape of circles. There you go. Finish drawing the bubbles the fish blew. Okay, so you can do that now. Pause if you need to. Then use the circle attribute blocks to trace and draw 4 more bubbles. Okay, well, admittedly, I don't have to draw, okay, but since it's in the water, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do 4 more. Oh, it won't let me. Let me see if I can drag it. Oh, there we go, I have to drag it. 2, 3. Now, of course, yours could be smaller because, you know, I can't change the size of my circles. All right, now let's describe the shapes. How many sides do they have? Well, we were talking about that. They don't have a straight edge or a straight side, so they have 0 sides. Okay, and do they have any vertices? Well, they don't have straight sides that meet, so they have 0 vertices. Okay? All right. Okay, so now let's go to our next page, which is our See and Show. Circles are two-dimensional shapes. They are closed and round. That poor pig, he keeps trying to get into those shapes. They are closed and round. Okay, so there they are. he's keeping going into the closed shapes, he's going to keep getting headaches. They do not have sides and vertices. So as you can see right there, they have answered both of those things. Those are what we call attributes, talking about what they have. It's a two-dimensional shape, no side, no vertices. Okay. I'd like you to go through each of these, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and write how many sides, how many vertices, and when you come back, you can check your answers. Yep. I know, I hear you saying, oh, that's easy. Good. And you're getting it all. You're understanding. Okay. Now, of course, my little picture here shifted. So, and I can't switch it. All right, so what I had written originally was I blocked out, because we're not in our classroom, we're at home. So I blocked out, I am not having luck with technology. Is not my friend today. It's my own fault because I'm clicking the wrong thing. Okay, I am covering classroom, and what I wanted to put was what objects in your home are the shape of a circle. So look around and see if you can see any object in your home that is the shape of a circle. All right? Try to remember that, and we can talk about different circles that we have seen that are around us. Now, for me, I have an analog clock up on the wall. So that is a circle, okay? And maybe you can find a couple things that are in your home, okay? And then share it with us. All right, let's move on. Okay. On my own pages, you're going to write for up until number 8, how many sides and vertices. Come back and check your answers. And here they are. Now for number 9, circle the objects that match the first shape. Here's the first shape. Circle the other objects. Okay? Number 10, circle the closed shapes. All right, if you're not ready, keep the pause on. And here are your answers. Okay. All right. Here we go. I have a two-dimensional shape that has no sides or vertices. Write the name of the shape. Draw a picture of the shape. Now, if you know what that shape is, that name is all throughout, okay, certainly at the very beginning anyway, of the lesson. So you can always go back and print it, all right? Here it is, soft C, circle, the first C, okay, circle. And then you have drawn a circle. Number 12, draw a picture of a two-dimensional shape. Write how many sides and how many vertices. Now notice it said draw a picture, so I would say that they're giving you a choice. And sure enough, think about what shapes could you have done? Trapezoid, a square, rectangle. How many sides and vertices do they have? 4 each, very good. How about if you did a triangle? How many sides and vertices? 3 each. And a circle? 0. Good job. Okay, here we are. Majid described this shape as a two-dimensional shape with 4 sides. Majid is wrong. Make it right. Okay, he is correct that it is a two-dimensional shape. Okay, but what is it that we have to print to make it correct? Okay, this shape has no sides, 0 sides, and 0 vertices. It is a circle. Okay? All right. Well, boys and girls, that was a very good lesson, okay? And again, remember, if you need to write it down, you could write it right on this page if you'd like to share what you have found in your home that are circles. And we will probably go over the homework page together as a little bit of practice, okay? And I will see you in math group. Bye-bye.